Why?
Strong color. You got all the nice up and like melon color.
It's funny. You can hear that my reaction, right? I said, oh, which one do you want me to do?
Or you happy press for white, but I guess you kind of already have one.
This one? This one? Right there.
More silvery, but sure, why not?
Sure. Was in the mood of like have a light color, and he'll like, oh, can you adding like emeralds in red and then midnight blue as a we are in
You're gonna be strong, you're gonna be passionate.
we can do another set with like 1, 2, 3, 4, like a lot of oh, so I just realized it is so cool though, because it has like kind of like a soft light color, and I have opposite like really nice strong solid color. So that is a good idea. I do like this one a lot. I don't know if you can see it. This one I love the dark colors. The dark colors is really pretty gorgeous. All right, so we did condensed glue gels and a no wipe top coat for all of you just tuning in. Are we doing this one?
Sure.
That's the someone was asking for white.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so happy when you say white. All right, here you go. Let's see what we're having here. Ooh, this is the kite. What is that? Kite. The drop is cute too. Just you can do more than just one shape. You can do just doesn't have to be just one. And make sure when you are place them, give a little bit like pressure, so then they are going to really like bond down to the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. So then these two bestie will grab the base of the crystals and the back, and we'll keep it there for a long time until you are going to decide to remove them. So you can see that I just randomly place them. There are no right way or wrong way. This is kind of a fun because we want to keep the background. So if you want to do like reflective underneath, so I'm just giving a little bit of space for it. However, if you want to cover completely, absolutely. But then you will see on the bottom, underneath of the tips. So I just give it some of like an idea, but hey, you do what is make you and your clients happy. If your client's like, I don't care, Nancy, I want to cover completely, then absolutely, there's no reason not to. So I'm not just this one that doesn't listen to me, so I'll give it back into it. And I'm using it on the other end and give it a quick wipe. Okay. Cure for 30 seconds. Flash cure.